More than a century ago, our founder Jamshedji Tata's words weren't just a thought, they were a challenge. How do you light up a nation still finding its feet? The answer began taking shape in 1915 in the mountains of the Western Ghats, where streams were turned into strength, giving birth to one of India's first hydroelectric projects. That spark lit up Mumbai, and from then on, the city never really went dark. Tata Power became synonymous with reliability as India moved into factories, highways, and skyscrapers. Tata Power scaled with it. Alongside its coal and thermal expansions, it became the country's largest private distributor, making sure energy was never the roadblock to progress. But energy isn't just numbers, it's cities energized, dreams powered. Like Odisha, where Tata Power stepped in and took charge of all its power needs, energizing the entire state and transforming access and service quality. Slowly with time, a new question emerged. What if the future of power was tech-driven, yet shared and sustainable? By 2018, the transformation was underway. Solar parks stretching across acres, wind farms catching the monsoon gusts, and hybrid projects bringing it all together. And by 2024, capacity saw a giant leap. There was a staggering 7,000 megawatts of renewable capacity on the grid. Fast forwarding India's clean energy shift, Tata Power set up one of India's most advanced solar manufacturing hubs, complete production capacity under one roof. And because reliable energy needs storage too, it also built breakthrough battery systems, including India's largest in Chhattisgarh. At the same time, innovation got bolder. The country's largest floating solar plant glistening in Kerala's backwaters. A cricket stadium in Mumbai crowned with the world's biggest solar rooftop. Solar-powered tea estates in Bengal, and even an underground submersible substation hidden beneath city streets. These were just a few among many other marquee projects and milestones. But Tata Power was thinking more than just big. It turned consumers into prosumers. Energy shifted from something you used to something you could make, store, and share. Today, in villages once left behind, 200 plus microgrids glow after sunset. 20,000 plus lives are powered up with possibilities. Cities and highways joined the revolution too, moving on clean power with a robust EV charging network covering 600 plus cities and towns and 60% of national highways. Tata Power's commitment to growth extends well beyond business, from education and skill development to livelihood and community well-being. It takes its responsibility with utmost seriousness. In fact, the efforts don't stop there. Wildlife, marine life, and environment are considered equally important, from hydro in the Ghats to solar on rooftops, from powering a single city to empowering 1 billion people. It wasn't the making of just another company, it was the making of India's largest integrated power company that would go on to light up an entire nation.